Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch touchscreen special for Citroen C4 2011 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this UF interface. You can choose time. You can choose logo. Let me check the settings. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car heater unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Citroen logo. Let me find it. Okay. Let me back to home. You can check this Citroen logo. You also can change this theme editor. From this, change this color with blue, and any color you can change it. Okay. Let me connect the SSR. Okay, connected. Check the internet. It's built-in microphone. Come with the external microphone cable. Okay. It supports Google Voice Command. New York. It will search the New York automatically. We're back. London. It will search London automatically. Okay. Let me check our website. Belsee. Belsee.com. Belse.com. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay. Let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. London. It will search London City automatically. It also supports the Google Voice Command. Okay, you can touch control. New York. It also searches the New York City automatically. You also can touch control. Okay, let me back to home. Let me connect a small speaker, test the sound. Okay, it has sound. Let me introduce the music. There is 2 USB cable on back of header unit. This is USB driver. Let me connect one of USB. it will play music automatically. Okay. You can run in Google Navigation and music at the same time. Okay, all sounds will be stopped when you make free phone call. When you hang up, it will do same thing. It will play music again. Okay, it's play music again. It means streaming music from your phone. The first time, please disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth again. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, connected. Okay, volume control from your phone. Okay. Okay. We're back to home. I will play video from USB. Video disabled when drive for safety, so you need to open it, disable it on the settings, find the car, driver settings, watch video, turn on the watch video. Okay. Okay, it's supposed 4K, send some 4K demo video all over the world. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us, Belsee. Okay, thank you.